Hi, this is Jack. I just got in from my morning run and I'm gonna make my breakfast shake now here. That's one of my tricks is I get up first thing in the morning, get right out and do my run, burn some fat before my body knows it's awake yet and it wants to store fat yet. But the first thing we wanna do is get back and have some food right in us. So here's my well-balanced shake that I have. I like the pulp. Started with a little OJ. I measure everything very carefully. Nice manly scoop of protein. I like a protein that's just low in cholesterol, and be careful of artificial sweeteners too. Oatmeal. I like steel cut oats, but this is what I have today. Again, I'm very carefully measuring my 3/4 of a cup of oatmeal in there. Frozen blueberries today. I like to put a frozen fruit because I don't put ice in my shakes. And then a banana. I like that one banana a day, and I do it first thing in the morning. Bananas are very high glycemic, but they're really good for you for so many reasons. Oh, don't forget a dash of cinnamon. They're finding all sorts of great benefits from cinnamon. Already took my daily multiple vitamin, probiotics, EFAs. And here we go. Thank you.